Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about calloc, the calloc function defined inside the standard lib.h header file. It allocates space for an array of n objects of some size and initializes all bytes to 0. The memory block allocated with malloc is uninitialized. Bytes inside this block do not hold any meaningful values. If we need to allocate space that will be initialized with 0, we can use calloc function instead. Unlike malloc, this function accepts two parameters and has this signature. So let's see this one, wide pointer calloc, and size t, number of objects, size t, size of the object, so let's see example. We are going to see a simple example to allocate space for a single integer and fill the allocated memory with zeros in our main function. We are going to have pointer of int type and we are going to use calloc. We are going to pass in 1 and size of int, and then we are going to check if the pointer is not null. So, and we are going to printf the initial value is, so it should initialize to 0. So, and this will be our pointer. And after using it, we are just going to free the memory, and that will be free pointer. That will be, and we can run our code, and we should get the initial value 0. So it initializes value to 0. So the calloc function allocates the memory for us, the space needed, and initialize all allocated bytes with zeros. Now if we want to change the value of the pointed to data object in memory, we can set its value over here. After the initialization, we are just going to set the value, and that will be 600, and we are going to print that again, the new value. New value is the percent sign d, new line, and we're just going to print the value. can run our code and check the new value. So our initial values was 0, and now we have this new value set to 600. Now we are going to allocate a space for an array of 3 integers. We can do that. Let's do it in our main function. We didn't. Okay, so we are going to have another one. And pointer array pointer, and we are going to use calloc, the size of 3 because we need 3 elements, size of, and number of bytes for each element. And here we are going to check for, what's this, if array pointer, if we are able to get the memory, we're going to print the initial values. Those should be initial array values. It should be zeros or initialized to 0. We are going to use a loop to print out array elements. So that will be for int I set to 0, less than 3, and increment I. Let's print out. Important sign D, and then we have pointer with the array syntax, pass in the index location. So, and now we are going to set some values and then print them out. So same loop again for we are going to use, and we are going to print the message also here. New array values, and I'm gonna use for loop int j there j less than 3, j increment, and here we are gonna use the array syntax and initialize or set new values of array elements. So we're gonna do j plus 2, just some random number. We're adding just a 2, and then we are going to do printf, and at the same time we just print the new value to make sure. And here we go. And we need to free array pointer 2. So this is our array pointer, not just a pointer. So we are going to do array pointer, and here also array pointer, And here also. All right. So we got array pointer here, here also, and we are going to free the memory after using it. And this is a J here. And our initial values are set to 0, and these are our new values. So, but first time in for loop iteration, our value will be set to 0 for the j, and we add 2 to it. It becomes 2, and then so on. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.